Two AI powerhouses, millions of users, but only one can lead the pack. Perplexity or Qwen, who really wins? On one side, Perplexity, the smart search assistant making waves with its quick answers. And on the other, Qwen, Alibaba's cutting-edge model raising the bar for open-source AI. We're running them through real-life tests that matter most. Speed, accuracy, user experience, flexibility, and much more. Forget the hype. Let's break down what these AI platforms are actually capable of. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner. The outcome may just surprise you. Let's getting-edge model. Wei 10 come, soar heim for the open-source AI. Wei 10's has innings quaid. Here's the game plan. We're sizing them up on accuracy and factuality, multilingual powers, live web access, plugins and integrations, user experience, and, oh yeah, privacy and openness. That's pretty much all the stuff that actually matters if you're serious about using these things day to day. Okay, so first up, accuracy and factuality. Perplexity? This thing is all about receipts. It loves citations, it pulls from all over, and you get this sweet multi-source answer every time. Sometimes, if the info doesn't exist out in the wild, you might be left hanging, but it tries. Now, Qwen, it's solid. Especially if you're looking up stuff in English or Chinese. Super handy for local Chinese topics. But, you'll notice it's kinda low-key about where its facts come from. Citations aren't really its main thing. So for verified answers, Perplexity takes the cake here. Now, global reach. This one's closer. Perplexity covers the big languages, no sweat, and English is its home turf. Occasionally, you'll spot some awkward translations or phrases when you veer off the main roads though. Meanwhile, Qwen is honestly a beast when it comes to Chinese and Asian languages in general. You can just throw Mandarin or even more niche Asian tongues at it, and it's totally at home. A little side note. Some web features might not work globally, but if you live in or care about Asian market coverage, it's basically made for you. So, the round goes to Qwen. Alright, web access, super important. Perplexity is kind of nuts about staying up to date. Everything it says is grounded in real web content, as current as it can get. Just keep in mind if the source is sketchy, your answer might be too. Qwen? It can tap real-time web, but you usually have to turn on some plugin or another, so it's not always just on by default. Perplexity definitely wins this one for ease and reliability. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Qwen 72b? One of the biggest open source Chinese models out there right now. And get this, Perplexity actually uses a whole cocktail of models behind the scenes. Just fun AI fact for you. Next up, plugins and integrations. Both actually do a decent job, but in kinda different ways. Perplexity is like your trusty research sidekick. It's got plugins for deep dive research and analyzing files. Though if you were hoping for hardcore coding integrations, you might be left wanting. Qwen plays really well with the rest of Alibaba's world, and if you're running a business in China, there's APIs everywhere. But step outside that ecosystem and, yeah, not as much love. Real talk, it's a tie for most people unless you really need those enterprise features. Now let's talk user experience. If you hate clutter, Perplexity is your friend. It's clean, it's simple, it's crystal clear about where info comes from. If you're a power user who needs like a million settings, maybe you'll want more. Flip over to Qwen, it's good, but sometimes the interface can feel a bit, like it's made for engineers. It just gets a bit technical, and you lose some of that transparency about sources. So, for most folks, Perplexity feels way smoother. Last one, privacy and openness. So, Perplexity's upfront about its privacy stuff. You can even use some things without logging in, which is cool. Not open source though. Qwen though, this is kinda wild. You can actually run open versions yourself. Qwen 7b, Qwen 7.2b, if you're a geek about running your own stuff, it's super cool. Some parts are locked down if you go enterprise, but yeah, Qwen takes this for openness and flexibility. Let's take a second to see how our contenders stack up across the board. Perplexity is crushing it on reliability and ease of use, while Qwen's got this global, open source thing going. You just don't see that often. So, at the end of the day, if you want speed, reliable answers, super clear citations, especially in English, Perplexity is just tough to beat. But if you're writing with Chinese content, or you're all about open source models and even enterprise level integrations, Qwen pulls ahead. Honestly, both kinda rock for different reasons. Enjoyed this big showdown? Go ahead and hit follow for more deep dives. There's always some new AI contender coming up, so stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.